Oh, look at this 21. We've got more fractions. But we're okay with this. We know how to deal with these. Let's get the LCD. So the LCD here is 4, right? Because 4 is the smallest number both 2 and 4 divide into. And then we're going to write that 4 right alongside all three original terms. I'll write it here, here, and here. So it's going to look like this. 4 dot 1/4 x minus 4 dot 1/2, the quantity, 3x plus 1, greater than or equal to 4 times 2. All right, so what's going to happen now? These 4's are going to cancel. We're going to get 1x, which is just x, minus, what happens here? 2 will go into 4, right? 2 will go into 4 twice. So now we have 2 times 1 times 3x plus 1. So it's just going to be minus 2 times 3x plus 1, greater than or equal to 8. Let's distribute. So we'll get x minus 6x minus 2 greater than or equal to 8. X minus 6x, how about negative 5x minus 2 greater than or equal to 8? Let's add that 2, so we'll get negative 5x is now greater than or equal to 10. Okay, now we're going to divide by negative 5 here. So, let's see, I'm going to divide by negative 5, alert. I'll do it up here. So I'll get x is now right, because we're dividing by negative, the direction of that inequality sign changes. So x is now less than or equal to 10 divided by negative 5. So x is less than or equal to negative 2. We can graph this. X, now there's a couple ways to graph this. You see it a couple ways. Because this is a non-strict inequality, where I got the equal sign there, I'm going to draw a closed circle at negative 2 and then shade in the left side, right? Because the arrow tells me the direction. X's are less. Here's my x's. The x's are less than negative 2. They're to the left of negative 2. So some of us use a closed circle. Sometimes, though, you'll see this. There's our x. And we'll use, this means open interval. This means closed interval. So we use this square bracket, and then we're still going to shade on the left.